Once upon a time, there was a girl who wanted to get a pixie cut, and she did. Then she really needed to learn how to do her hair every day. She's always been great with hair, and now she's ready to share. Hey guys, it is me, aka Hillary Banks, and I am here with a pixie cut tutorial. This is gonna be my everyday hair routine. I love to do my hair like this, and I get the most compliments on it. It looks shiny, healthy, and the best part is, it's inexpensive. Getting a pixie cut, whoo, you need that coin for that scoop of hair, baby. But if you learn how to do your hair yourself, you are a genius. And I want that for you. You're gonna be a genius right now. Feel free to save this video for a watch later. Oh, and subscribe, because you're gonna rewatch it and rewatch it and rewatch it until you get it. When I was cutting my hair, I researched everywhere, and I couldn't find like YouTube videos of young people styling their hair and the way that I wanted to style mine. Now that I know how to do it, babe, you are lucky. I got you. Subscribe and comment that you literally took every jewel from this video and you're applying it. Your hair is coming out flawless every time, and you don't have to pay that crazy amount of money just to keep up with your scoop of hair. The first thing you need is a freshly washed pixie cut. Check. The next thing you'll need is a comb, preferably a rat tail comb. Because I was setting up for this video, my hair is dry right now, but your hair should be soaking wet. Okay, let's do it. I'm going to moisturize my scalp really quickly. This is peppermint castor oil, and there's some other oil in here too. It really helps my scalp. Ugh. I hate when my hair is itchy because then I'm gonna scratch my hair and I'm gonna ruin it. Now I'm going to put the heat protector. And that's just gonna protect my hair from the heat because I do have to dry my hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the leave-in conditioner. Because all these things mix together, it doesn't really matter the order, but when my hair is soaking wet, I definitely do the peppermint castor oil combination first. Then I do the leave-in conditioner, which also has a heat protector as well in it. Then I use the actual heat protecting serum. And then I add the foam. And you wanna use as much as possible so you can get a nice, firm hold. I'm probably using a little bit more than normal because my hair did not start off wet. And just really get it in there. And I'm starting my mold. There we go. So I am going to put a part on this side of my head, a deep side part. And honestly, I feel like I did it too high, so I'm gonna do it again lower. There we go. All right, we got a deep side part. More foam. It's never enough foam. You can already kind of see it come together. You see it. So now I hold my comb like this, and I'm going to start swooping it down. All right, and then I'm using the tail just to swoop it down. And then same thing with the swoops. And swooping it down. So this went in and this went around. Just waves, we're just making waves. I wanted to turn around because I don't want you to think the back of your head is none of your business. The back of your head is absolutely your business. And I get a tape up in the back by a barber. If you guys are interested in that, I can literally take you. I get my hair cut in the back because I can't see back there, so someone has to do it. And then he cuts around my ears too. The shape is so cute, but it also keeps it low maintenance. It's not on my neck. I love it. Shout out to the girls who don't have a Pixie and don't plan on getting one. But it's just doing market research because you're curious, like how do people style their hair like this, right? Shout out to you, boo. Don't beat yourself up. If you can't figure out how to swoop your hair yet, that's fine. It'll come with practice. As you keep doing this, you'll get it. And I've gotten so much better at it, but I am not a pro. There are girls who are out here doing finger waves on the back of their head alone. That is pro level. I'm not there yet, but I hope I can be soon. Okay, I think we got it. Super cute. Yes, we got it. I love this. Put a heart in the comments because do you love this or do you love it? It is so cute. Like, hello, how are you? My name is Antoinette, aka Hillary Banks. I was born in 1992 and the 90s are still here. Now we need to wrap it. So these are the wrapping papers. They're like falling apart, but the papers are still working. You're gonna need a bunch of these, okay? I've seen so many girls go ahead and put a do-rag or a scarf on their head. Don't do that. Use your wrapping papers. It's always gonna give you like a flawless finish, like a professional. And you don't want your hair to look like you did it yourself. You want everyone to think you get your hair done, because otherwise, what's the point? So the first thing I do is I wrap it from the top. Like a scarf, like I'm in a convertible. And I'm gonna do the same thing, but just go back a little bit more. And then if you don't wanna tie it off, you can just grab it together and spin it around. I just usually like to tie it, but that's a method that also works. And then now I'm gonna take one and bring it forward. You're gonna bring this all the way around. Oop. And then like that. And then hold it. Grab one more. And tie it off. There we go, that's much more comfortable. Now I'm gonna sand in the dryer to dry. Before I do that, actually, let me show you the back. The back of your head is your business. Go ahead and put that in the comments if you're still here in the video. This is what it should look like. You're gonna sit under the dryer until it is dry, okay? And then you can take it off. That's gonna give you a successful mold every time. And you just wanna move slowly. I hope this sounds like ASMR for you guys. Slowly peel. If your hair is not completely dry, don't you dare take this off. Go back under the dryer. All right, last one. And then this one, you want to be careful not to lift the hair. So I'm just going to bend it backwards. All right. That looks good. Do you see these results, babe? Flawless every time. Katana wins. Drop a black heart in the comment section. Let me know that you're getting this.